Hey everyone, so today we're working on a 10-inch round and we're going to do a reverse swipe. So I'm going to go back to another color palette that I really like and let's see if it works for us today. We're going to be using some black. This does have silicone. All of my colors have silicone. Soho green blue. Craftsmart Sea Mist Pearl, Grumbacher Turquoise Green, and some gold. Some more black. And some peacock pearl. And I think I'll go a little bit more black on this. And a little bit more gold. And another shot of peacock pearl. And the sea mist pearl. See if I can finish the rest of this bottle off. Okay. So I'm going to flip this over. Get my swiping tool ready. I'm going to use up my rest of my paint here. And we're going to go ahead and release this cup. And we'll swipe our white over. Make sure I get it all even. And we'll let that set for a second and then I'll torch it and see if anything wants to come up through before I tilt. So this one will be fun. All right. So we're just going to tilt back and forth. Because it is a round, we don't have corners to worry about, just edges. And before I tilt anymore, I want to go ahead and torch it again to see how much paint is under there and make sure I'm not all white here. Okay. Now I know where I'm at. It's easy to get lost with these. So what I'm trying to do is get rid of the white without losing too much color underneath. All right. I'm going to torch it again and then we're going to let it sit. Okay, so 10 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Look how pretty. I really like the way the cells came up through. But I'm happy with this the way it is. I was expecting a little more of a marble effect, but I think I put a little bit too much white around the edge. So keep that in mind when you're doing the swipes. Don't use too much white because you get stuck with it on top. But I'm happy with that. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that bell for notifications. Check out all our links below. Shop with us on Amazon and Etsy. Join our group on Facebook, the Parage Posse, and check out my art page, Christina Welch Art. That's also on Facebook. And we have some codes below for Stone Coat Art Coat Resin, our fan mail box, our PayPal link. There's lots of links below. But thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.